Before you even open your eyes, your AI already knows you're awake, not because it's spying on you, but because your breathing pattern changed by 0.3%. Your schedule has been rewritten. Your breakfast suggestion has changed. And the job you thought you had? Yeah, it doesn't exist anymore. And for a second, you think, wait, did I take over the world while I was sleeping? And if your first thought is, yep, that's literally me, stay with me. Because here's what most people don't realize. The big myth, AI will replace everyone. Let's start with the most terrifying myth. By 2050, AI will replace all jobs. You've heard it, you probably believed it, and honestly, it sounds convincing. Machines don't sleep, they don't complain, they don't ask for raises, so yeah, terrifying. But here's the truth. AI doesn't replace people. It replaces tasks. Think about calculators. They didn't eliminate mathematicians. They eliminated manual calculation. Email didn't kill communication. It killed waiting 3 days for a letter. And this is where it gets really more interesting. What actually changed by 2050? By 2050, the most valuable skill isn't coding, it's judgment. I can analyze millions of options, but it still struggles with context, ethics, human emotion, and values. Here's a simple analogy. AI is like a GPS, incredible at directions, useless at deciding where you should go in life. And that's why in 2050, humans didn't disappear, they evolved. Another myth, AI is conscious. Another scary one, AI will become conscious and turn against us. Movies love this idea. But here's the boring yet comforting truth. AI doesn't want anything. It doesn't fear death. It doesn't crave power. It doesn't wake up angry. It predicts patterns. That's it. Even the most advanced AI systems today, like large language models, don't understand meaning. They predict the next most likely output based on data. It's like autocomplete on steroids. So when people say AI is thinking, what they really mean is AI is guessing very well. The real danger nobody talks about now. Here's what most people don't realize. The danger was never AI. The danger was who controls it. By 2050, the biggest mistakes weren't made by machines. They were made by humans who blindly trusted AI outputs, used AI without oversight, or optimized for speed instead of wisdom. AI didn't destroy society. Unquestioned automation did. Surprising truth, AI created more opportunity. Here's the twist nobody expected. AI didn't shrink opportunity. It exploded it. In 2050, one person can run a global company, one creator can teach millions, one idea can scale instantly. AI became the ultimate amplifier, like electricity. Electricity didn't decide what to power. Humans did. And those who learned to collaborate with AI, not fight it, thrived. Using AI for good, the human advantage. So, how do humans stay relevant? Simple. We do what AI can't. Ask better questions, make moral decisions, understand nuance, create meaning, not just output. AI handles the how. Humans decide the why. And that combination, that's powerful. Ending, motivation plus big question. So, when you wake up in 2050, the real question isn't, did AI replace me? It's, did I learn how to use it? Because the future was never about humans versus AI. It was about humans with AI versus humans without it. And now I want to ask you, how do you really think the future will turn out? Are we afraid of AI because it's dangerous? Or because it forces us to rethink what it means to be human? And more importantly, how can we use AI for good, starting now?